What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this amazing movement to the upside that brought us from my previous call about 18.9% to its current range, or from the call that I made on the video before my previous video. We are at a potential profit of 22.3%. And definitely it is an amazing price action, and definitely it was extremely technical. And then I will continue with the fundamental news. I will show you why we have this movement to the upside. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, right after this asset hit the golden pocket range, it is statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And to identify this range, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing low to its swing high. And it is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. And as you can see, we had the confirmation of volume that someone added to its position a lot of value, and right here we had an amazing opportunity to hit higher targets. And definitely it happens, and it happens exactly as I predicted. We formed this type of price action, but we hit the range of resistance that I marked previously, that previously was a support, and it was also very technical. Then we had the retracement to the downside, and with the second attempt we broke it to the upside, and definitely it is a very powerful movement. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you what was the reason of this price action. First of all, let me show you this article that was published yesterday on CNBC.com, and it says Alibaba shares soar 15% in Hong Kong on news of major overhaul. And the key points are following. Hong Kong listed shares of Alibaba climbed at the open on Wednesday after the company announced a significant overhaul to split its company into 6 business groups. The company in its announcement said that the move is aimed to unlock shareholder value. And let me quote you further. The decision to split into the different units means each will be managed by its own leadership and executive board, and can pursue independent fundraising and IPOs when they are ready. The company said the move aims to unlock shareholder value. The 6 business groups are: first of all, Cloud Intelligent Group includes companies' cloud and artificial intelligence activities. In my opinion, it is the most prominent group that will drive the price, the value of these shares higher. Next one, Taobao Tmall Commerce Group, online shopping platforms including Taobao and Tmall. Third one, Local Services Group, covers Alibaba's food delivery service LME, as well as its mapping. Next one, Sinao Smart Logistics, houses Alibaba's logistics service. Also very prominent and extremely important group. Next one, Global Digital Commerce Group, includes Alibaba International e-commerce business, including AliExpress and Lazada. And the last one, Digital Media and Entertainment Group, includes Alibaba's streaming and movie business. So these 6 divisions definitely shows not only their intention to bring more value to the company, but also it shows much more. And let me explain. So you all know that the Chinese Communist Party has an extremely high exposure on their market, on the Chinese market, and on the company, especially on the big companies that might be the drivers of Chinese economy. And without the permission of Chinese Communist Party, you basically cannot do anything that might dramatically change some markets or branches or other economical institutes in China. And that is why this announcement shows that Jack Ma received the basically wild card to make this action happen in order to drive the value of his company much higher, and this means the tech crackdown that was initiated in 2020 might be over, and this means the value of Chinese companies might go even higher, especially when we don't see anymore the problem of delisting Chinese companies from the US stock market. So definitely it is extremely powerful news, and this price action shows how important it is for the Alibaba Group Holdings. But on top of that, let me quote you another news that was also quite significant in my opinion. So on CNNbusiness.com we can find this article that was published on March 27th, and it says Jack Ma makes rare public appearance in China. And let me quote you this. Jack Ma, the billionaire and founder of Alibaba and once one of China's most prominent entrepreneurs, has made a rare public appearance in the country. Ma visited the city of Hangzhou and was seen meeting with students and teachers at the Alibaba-founded Yungu School. Jack Ma came to Yungu School and discussed the future of education with the campus directors, the school said on its WeChat account Monday, adding that the purpose of Ma's visit was to discuss the challenges and opportunities that new technological change brings to education. So this means Jack Ma doesn't afraid anymore of Chinese Communist Party, and previously, right after he stated that he criticized China's banks and financial regulators right after the Ant Group's IPO war failed, definitely he had a lot of fear for his own life because of the extremely high exposure of Chinese Communist Party to his business. And right now it is a very good bullish sign that probably he has some negotiations, or maybe he already made a deal with the Chinese Communist Party in order to be protected by them and in order to expand his company. And definitely it is extremely bullish sign. So let's continue with other news. Let me show you that some major institutional investors just made the filings on the list of institutional activity, and as you can see, BlackRock added to their position with their different branches. On top of that, Fidelity added to their position as well. And this means this sign might also show the potential of Alibaba in the medium and long-term perspective. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely we have some bearish signs, and one of them is this huge gap in between $88.13 and almost $92. And technically it should be filled, but it doesn't mean that we have to see the movement to the downside on the next session. We might see something like this, because we don't have five-wave structure yet. Probably we have something like this, and we will have another leg to the upside to complete the entire way from its golden pocket range. Then we will have a retracement, probably something like this, and with this retracement we will have an opportunity to close this gap. And it is right now it is only my assumption, and in the short-term perspective definitely Alibaba still has a room to grow, at least to the golden pocket range right here at roughly $105 or $106. And if it is the case, we might see the retracement only when it hit this range, but eventually definitely you will have an opportunity to re-enter the position with Alibaba because of its major price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the